In this video, I'm going to highlight how complex traditional JIRA is on doing simple things like creating a new issue type and then creating a new field, setting it on a screen, and then setting it as required. This is like a very common scenario, but in traditional JIRA it's a bit complex. It's very powerful, but the problem with that is that the UI is a bit complex and people is a bit scared of doing these kind of things in JIRA. So what we are doing with BPS is to simplify all that. First, we are going to go to the administration part in JIRA, and we're going to create a new issue type. Okay? We name it new issue type. Okay. Now we have it here, and then we are going to create a new custom field. New one. It's going to be a single line text field. Single line text field. This is going to be the field that we are going to set as required. And once you create the field, JIRA is asking you to place it on a screen, and here you will have all the screens you have on the application. So this is pretty confusing. We are going to use this one in this case, testing. And then now, in order to set this field as required, we need to go to the project. Well, first we need to configure the file to specify for what type of issues and for what projects is going to be available. There are different ways of doing this. Okay, so I'm just showcasing one of them. So I'm going to select new issue type and then this project. Then I click on modify. Okay. And now I need to go to the project. This is a test system, we only have one. And search for the field configuration for that specific project. That, of course, can be shared between projects and, And then scroll down to the single line text field, the field I have added, and click here on require. Okay? So this is it. As you can see, it's a bit complex. So now we are going to compare how you can do the same with BPS. So we are going to create a new process. It's called automatically process 3. Then we are going to add a new field here. Select the same type, single line. It's called field 1. If I click on the screens, I see this is the default screen for this process. And I can simply drag and drop the field to my screen if I want. Okay. And now if I want to set it as required, I just go to the property inspector and click require. Then I select the project for which I want to deploy this process and click here on deploy. Okay. So as you can see, it's pretty straightforward, and we are paying a lot of attention to the user experience. So everything makes sense and is easier at the most common user scenarios. Okay. So I hope you see the benefit of this product, and that's it. Hope you like it.